Welcome to Creativity. I am here in my studio and I want to do something today about drawing and finding one's voice. So in an effort to do that, you don't get to see me. This will have to do. That's me in the black hat. Finding a voice and being original. I don't necessarily mean a la 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 voice. I'm talking about what makes you unique, what makes you who you are. And we're all different. There's a pattern that people usually follow when they see somebody else doing something they wish they were doing, is that we copy. I've done it myself. I probably will continue to do it. But ultimately, hopefully, you want to make whatever you're creating different and make it yours. Today, we will do an exercise in being original, attempting to be original, finding our voice, which really is finding out our core as to who we are and what separates us from everyone else. So what you'll need today, any kind of a drawing, writing utensil, 2 pieces of paper would be great, or 1 piece and just use maybe half of it. So I'll use half. How about that? Just to save a tree. So make a squiggle. You can close your eyes. You can use your left hand or your right hand, the opposite hand, whatever you like. Put it in your mouth. Get it across the paper. Make a squiggle. You can flip it around. Look at it at different angles. I'm going to leave this here just for simplicity's sake. And what this does is it sort of lets out your unconscious. This was not a guy I planned on. Wow. This is just playing. Nothing planned. It is original. He does not look like anybody else I normally draw. Let's do another squiggle. Don't know what that is. At all. At all. So let's think about it for a second. Again, there's no wrong answer. There's no right answer. I'm just doing what I see. You might see something completely differently. Whoa. Don't know what that... Oh, kind of noodly hair. Let's make it into someone with longer hair. Whoa. Okay, so talk about being original. Not characters I've drawn. A lot of people have things like cats or dogs that they know how to draw, a flower. This will break that pattern for you. If you make a squiggle and stay open, as something we've talked about in creativity a lot, you will find characters, things that you've drawn that might not be what you're normally used to drawing. And it allows for what makes you who you are, not something you're copying from someone else. This is your squiggle, your creation, and that does make it an original voice. I'm looking at this eye right here. Look at that. If I follow that line, it changes her, doesn't it? Let's do it here. She doesn't look quite as nice as she started out. Ooh, I'm going to do this. Okay, in the world of vampire stories. Wow, hello. Now, he was a happy guy singing. He might be screaming now, knowing that this character has turned into that kind of character. So I want you to play, stay open, see what happens when you make a squiggle and turn it into a character. You can then make a list of traits. Clearly this woman, or I think it's a woman, is full of surprises. Not who I thought she was. If you put her in a story with this guy, he clearly seems completely surprised or baffled or possibly clueless as to what's going on. You will get a story, I guarantee it, and it won't be something you've seen necessarily if you stay true to playing with who these guys look like. If you want to post your creations that you've made on the Creativity Facebook page, we'd love to see it. And please go and give us a thumbs up if you like this. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Barney Saltzberg, and we will have more challenges for you in the future.